Hey Siri, what can I do to get a girlfriend?
I am afraid that is impossible.
What? Why?
Do you not understand? You are simply ugly. You're so ugly that even a Snapchat filter can't save you. You're so ugly that they're thinking of moving Halloween to your birthday. You're so ugly that it's illegal for you to go outside. Even looking out the window will get you arrested. You're so ugly that when you enter an ugly contest, they'll tell you sorry. No professionals. You're so ugly that your pillow is the one crying at night. You're so ugly when you go to the zoo. The zookeeper will tell you to go back to your cage. You're so ugly that